Breaking news flashes across television screens. Standoff in the West Philippine Sea. Philippine Navy responds to unidentified vessels.
The mood is tense, almost electric. Waves crash against the hulls of Navy ships as their crews remain vigilant. The horizon is filled with shadows, unknown vessels lurking just beyond visual range. Inside the operations room, every radio crackles with updates. Reports flood in. An unidentified ship approaches a Philippine patrol boat. The world watches, breath held, as yet another chapter plays out in the ongoing struggle for control in these disputed waters. Sovereignty hangs in the balance. Maritime security has never felt more urgent. The West Philippine Sea is not just a line on a map. It's the lifeline for Filipino fishermen, the heart of national pride, and now a front line where technology meets tradition. Is there a way to protect these waters without firing a shot? Into this storm of uncertainty, the Philippine Navy unveils a new weapon, not of destruction, but of deterrence. It's a game changer. The nation braces for what comes next. The Philippine Navy steps forward, revealing its latest innovation, a Long Range Acoustic Device, or LRAD paired with a Laser Dazzler. The announcement comes with a sense of urgency. Journalists crowd around as Navy officers showcase the new device. The LRAD, mounted on a patrol ship, looks unassuming, almost like a high-tech loudspeaker, but its impact is anything but ordinary. The LRAD is more than a siren. It is a focused sound cannon, able to send powerful warning messages across the sea. Alongside it, the Laser Dazzler shines, literally. This device projects a non-lethal, high-intensity green laser. Together, these tools give the Philippine Navy a way to assert its presence without resorting to force. This pairing is about control. The LRAD and Laser Dazzler allow sailors to media, Navy sailors monitoring radar and communication equipment, sailors using LRAD and Laser Dazzler on deck, Navy crew challenging approaching vessel challenge unknown, ships, warn off intruders, and protect fishermen. It's a leap into modern maritime security. The message is clear. The Philippines will defend its waters, but with responsibility.
Officers explain how these devices fill a vital need.
We want to keep the peace, says Commander Reyes, but we must also protect our sovereignty. LRAD and Laser Dazzler give us that balance.
The world takes notice. What exactly is an LRAD? Imagine a voice that can reach across kilometers of open water. The LRAD uses directed sound waves, clear, powerful, and unmistakable. When activated, it can broadcast warnings, commands, or alarms. Its message cuts through wind and waves, reaching any vessel, no matter the noise. The technology is precise. LRAD's beam is focused, so only its intended target hears the full force. This avoids confusion or panic among innocent bystanders. At lower settings, it works as a loudspeaker. At higher settings, it emits a sharp, painful tone, impossible to ignore.
A Philippine patrol boat spots an unknown ship veering too close. The crew switches on the LRAD. This is the Philippine Navy. You are entering our exclusive economic zone. Please change course immediately. The commanding officer watches. The response is immediate. The unknown vessel slows, then turns away.
The LRAD does not harm, but it makes the Navy's intent unmistakable. Its voice echoes across the sea, firm and clear. The message, these waters are protected.
Alongside the LRAD, the Navy now deploys the Laser Dazzler, a tool that uses light instead of sound. This device is designed for one purpose: to dazzle, distract, and disorient. The laser projects a brilliant green beam, temporarily affecting a person's vision without causing permanent injury. When a vessel ignores warnings, the Laser Dazzler comes into play. Its green light flickers across the bridge of the target ship. Anyone looking toward the source sees a flash so intense they must look away. It's like a camera flash magnified 1,000 times, but engineered to be safe.
Safety is crucial. The Navy uses the Dazzler with strict protocols, never to injure, only to deter. The effect is immediate and non-lethal. The unknown ship, suddenly blinded, slows and rethinks its course. No shots are fired, no escalation occurs. In the shadowy realm of maritime standoffs, the Laser Dazzler gives the Philippine Navy a powerful, responsible edge. It is a shield, not a sword, in the ongoing dance of deterrence.
Why does the Navy turn to non-lethal options? The answer is simple. Modern conflicts are complex. In the West Philippine Sea, a single shot can spark an international crisis.
The LRAD and Laser Dazzler offer a third way, firm but peaceful. These tools are designed to prevent escalation. Instead of boarding or firing, the Navy can deter an intruder from a distance.
The LRAD warns. The Dazzler enforces compliance. Both are reversible. Once the threat retreats, the effects fade. This is vital in crowded, contested waters. Around the world, navies and coast guards face similar challenges. From the U.S. Coast Guard off Alaska to Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force, non-lethal devices have proven their worth. They protect ships and crews, but keep the door open for dialogue and de-escalation.
For the Philippines, these tools are more than gadgets. They are a statement. We defend our rights, but we value peace. In the gray zones of the sea, every choice matters. The LRAD and Laser Dazzler show a new kind of strength.
Non-lethal deterrence is not just theory, it's proven. In 2021, U.S. Navy ships used LRADs to warn off Iranian fast boats in the Persian Gulf. No shots were fired, but the message was clear.
Likewise, Japanese coast guards have used laser dazzlers to prevent dangerous close encounters with foreign vessels.
Now imagine the Philippine Navy in action. A patrol boat spots an unknown vessel heading toward Filipino fishing boats. The crew activates the LRAD. You are entering protected waters. Turn back. The vessel hesitates.
The Laser Dazzler sweeps the bridge, its light impossible to ignore. The intruding ship finally veers off, leaving the fishermen unharmed.
The scene is tense, but calm prevails. Fishermen wave in thanks as the Navy patrol resumes its watch. No one is hurt. No headlines speak of violence. Instead, they speak of resolve and responsibility.
Defense experts applaud this approach. Non-lethal tools fill the gap between words and war, says Dr. Maria Bautista, a maritime security analyst. They give our Navy more options, and that keeps everyone safer. The stakes are high. The West Philippine Sea is a vital resource, home to thousands of Filipino fishermen and rich marine life. It's also a flashpoint, where rival claims and gray zone tactics threaten peace.
Technology alone cannot solve these challenges, but it can change the game. The LRAD and Laser Dazzler give the Philippine Navy new ways to protect sovereignty.
They help uphold a rules-based order, one where warnings are clear, responses are measured, and escalation is avoided. This is leadership by example.
For Filipino families, this means safety for their loved ones at sea. For the region, it means hope for stability in troubled waters. And for the world, it sets a standard: peace through preparedness, strength with wisdom.
The message is loud and clear, like the LRAD itself. The Philippines stands ready, not just to defend, but to lead with vision and restraint. In the balance between force and peace, the nation chooses both strength and responsibility. The future of maritime security has arrived, and it shines with hope.